Hello everyone and welcome to my Intermediate Premiere Pro course. This course is designed to level up your video editing abilities. This course is focused on improving editing speed and exploring more advanced editing techniques and workflows. If you have good foundation of the editing fundamentals of Premiere Pro, this course is perfect for you. By the end of this course, you will learn creating project and sequence, organization of projects, transitions, audio effects, text, color grading, speed ramping, and much more. In this topic, we will be learning installation of software and also to get familiar with the interface. After the installation, we will open the Premiere Pro. As the Premiere has started, you will see a window has appeared, which is known as home page, in which you can select new project or can open existing project. As we are starting, I will select new project, and as we click on it, a window will appear in which you can select the name of your project, location, and also the general settings. You will select OK. As you can see, the Premiere Pro has provided us with many windows. For the first timers, this can create confusion. So the first window, which is on the left corner, is where all your media is imported. The effects, media browser, libraries, info, markers, and history are present. On the upper left corner, source monitor is present, which helps you to playback individual clips. You prepare clips that you want to add in a sequence. The upper right corner, a program monitor is present, which shows you the active timeline. Control under each monitor allows you to scroll through video and set edit points. The right bottom area is called timeline, where your video takes shape by dragging items from project or source monitor and placing them in desired order. Before importing the assets, we will be creating a project and a sequence. For creating the sequence, right-click on File, click on Sequence. You will see a window appear and a lot of options will be seen known as Sequence Preset. You can also create your own settings by changing width and height, and you can also save your own preset, and also can create more video and audio panels. Then select OK, and this is how a sequence is created. In this topic, we are going to learn how to import media in Premiere Pro. You will see File option on left corner, click on Import, or you can also use a shortcut key which is known as Ctrl-I, which will open the window for you to import the media in Premiere Pro. The media will be imported in Project window on the bottom left.